Good morning, children. Today we are going to do a new story. The story's name is Ladybird. The story's name is Ladybird. See, this is a ladybird. The ladybird is red with black spots. It's a ladybird. Ladybird had lived on the same bush all her life. So the ladybird was staying in the same bush all her life from the time that it has been brought to the world. I need to see more of the world, she decided. So I'm going on a holiday. Where does a ladybird want to go? It wants to go on a holiday. It felt lonely, setting off all on her own. She was feeling very lonely because she didn't want to go alone. Do you like to go on a holiday alone? No, you always look for company, whether it's family or friends. So the ladybird also wanted to go on a holiday with someone. I'll call my friends and see if they'd like to come away with me, thought ladybird. So what did the ladybird think? Let me call my friends and find out if they are interested to come along with me. Spider lived in a nearby tree. So who was her friend? There was a spider who lived in a nearby tree. I'd love to go on a holiday with you, ladybird, he said. But I'm afraid I don't have time at the moment. The spider doesn't have any time. You know why? Let's find out. Spider's web had been blown down by the wind. Unless I repair it, I won't be able to catch any food, he explained. So what happened? He had made a web for himself. The spider makes their web by themselves. So they had made the web, but the wind came, there was a very strong wind and the wind blew away the web. So the spider needs to build the web again to catch his food. Hence he is not able to go with the ladybird. Ladybird moved on to see caterpillar. So there was another friend of ladybird, the caterpillar. Please stop chewing and listen for a minute. So the ladybird told the caterpillar, stop chewing. The caterpillar is doing. So the ladybird said, stop and listen to me. I want you to come on a holiday with me. Sorry, I can't, replied the caterpillar. His mouth crammed with leaves. What is there inside the mouth of the caterpillar? The leaves. I am turning into a butterfly soon, so I must stay here and plenty to eat. The caterpillar is going to turn into a butterfly soon. So just before the caterpillar turns into a butterfly, he eats a lot of things. So he eats the leaves, and that's the reason he needs to eat and rest. So he is unable to go with the ladybird. Buzz, buzz, bee flew past on his way to his hive. Where does the bee live? The bee lives in a hive. So he was making the sound buzz, buzz. Fancy coming on the holiday with me, called ladybird. So what does the ladybird tell the bee? Would you like to come on a holiday with me? Sounds wonderful, answered bee. But I can't leave my work at the moment. I have to collect nectar from the flowers while they are in bloom. Can you see all these flowers? They have completely bloomed. So what happens is the bee has to collect the nectar from the flower. All this is the center of the flower has a nectar which the bee collects. So the bee has to collect the nectar. Then I can make lots of golden honey. What do they make out of the nectar? they make the golden honey. So he will collect all the nectar and make honey. Ant was the hardest working of all the ladybird's friends. I am sure he could do with a holiday, she chuckled. So in her mind, she was thinking that Ant would go with her. In fact, Ant was busier than ever. He had just trained some young ants to collect the leaves for their nest. The ant was collecting the leaves to make a nest. So this is how the ants walk, and they are making a nest out of the leaves. Quick march, he shouted. Left, right. Maybe another time, called Ladybird. The ant was so busy, he didn't even have time to talk to the ladybird. He was ordering his other ant fellows, just do as quick as possible to make the nest out of the leaves. And the ant worked very hard. Suddenly, Ladybird had a brilliant idea. I'll ask my cousins, she chuckled. They are bound to say yes. The other three ladybirds all shook their heads. We've just come back from a holiday, said the first. We are very tired, added the second. And we spent all our money, cited the third. So the ladybird asked the ants, and what happened to the ant cousins? The ant cousins had just gone for a holiday. So these are the three cousins. First cousin, what did the first cousin say? We just came back from a holiday. What did the second cousin say? We are very tired. And what did the third cousin say? And we have utilized all our money. We have no more money to go around for a holiday. Ladybird was disappointed. Her friends were all too busy for her. The ladybird was very disappointed. So she flew home. On the way, she saw Toad and told, you are looking for a friend to take on a holiday. What is the Toad asking Ladybird? That someone told me that you want to go for a holiday with someone. So you are finding a company. He croaked. Well, I'd love to come with you. And the Toad was ready to go on a holiday with the Ladybird. But what did the Ladybird say? But Ladybird did not stop. The Ladybird did not stop at all out there. Sorry, Toad, she called back. It's too late now. The Ladybird was so tired that she didn't want to go for a holiday with anybody. So she told Toad, sorry, Toad, it's too late now. Ladybird went back to her bush, and staying here, she decided, I've visited lots of new places and spoken to all sorts of different people. So the Ladybird went back to the bush, and she said, I visited so many different places and so many different people that now I need to go back home. So I don't need a holiday now. And she decides that she doesn't want to go on a holiday now. When her friends heard about her funny holiday, they laughed and came around to visit. Let's have a party instead, chuckled Ladybird. So what did the Ladybird say? The friends of the Ladybird heard that she couldn't go on a holiday, so she called all her friends, and they were all sitting together and partying. So this is the spider, the toad, the bee, the other ladybird cousins. Everybody has come, and they are having snacks and having a party. Did you all enjoy the story? I'm sure you did. Let's just quickly tell me, what is the story's name? Yes, the story's name is ladybird. So here they are talking about, what are they talking about in the story? They are talking about a ladybird who lived on the same bush for many years. And what does the ladybird want to do now? Ladybird wants to go on a holiday. Whom does she go and ask first? So the ladybird goes and asks to the spider first if he would like to go for a holiday with the ladybird. But does the spider say yes? No, the spider was too busy building his web. Then what happens? Then the ladybird goes to the caterpillar and asks if he could go for a holiday with the ladybird. But does the caterpillar say yes? No, you know why? Because the caterpillar was busy eating leaves because he was soon to be a butterfly. Then what happens? The ladybird goes to the bee. And what does the bee do? Bee is collecting nectar from the flowers. Does the bee go with the ladybird? No, he is also not able to go because he needs to collect the nectar and make honey. And where does the ladybird go then? The ladybird goes to the ant to ask if he could go for a holiday with ladybird. But does the ant go? No, because they are building nest for themselves. So they are also not able to go. Finally, where does the ladybird go? The ladybird finally goes and asks the cousins. But are the cousins willing to go? They are not willing to go because they've just come back from a holiday and they are very tired. Also, they have spent all their money. So they do not want to go for a holiday. And then on the way back, the ladybird decided, let's go back to my bush. So on the way back, she meets the toad. And the toad was ready to go for a holiday. But does the ladybird go with the toad? No. Since the ladybirds were already very tired and meeting so many people and visiting new places, so they decided to go back to ladybird's bush. And ladybird invites all the friends that he met and they have a party together, and that's how they have a holiday. That's a funny holiday they want to do together for a few minutes. That was the story on Ladybird. I'm sure you all enjoyed as much as I enjoyed narrating it. See you. Thank you.